Hi, welcome back to Projects with Steve. This is part 6 of my backyard shed build. On this video we're going to wrap things up and I'm going to show you what the final product looks like of this shed build. I now have the doors built, which were built with a 2x4 frame with siding nailed on the front of that and then trimmed out with 1x4s. This is the inside of the shed. Before it got filled up with all of our stuff and before all the built-ins were built. So here's the shed now painted, and I chose to paint it in a bluish gray color trimmed in white with a black door, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Most of the trim work on the shed was simply made with 1x4 pine wood and then painted white. This is the ramp that I built. The frame of the ramp is made out of 2x6s as the runners, and then the decking is just regular pressure treated deck boards. Now as we enter the shed here, you'll see that it's got a lot of stuff in it now. I built some built-in shelves on both the left and right ends. The shelves on the right side there are 16 inches deep, and the shelves here on the left are 22 inches deep. The frames are made out of 2x3s, and then the legs are made out of 2x4s. Then I topped those frames with OSB board on some of them and MDF boards on the others. I built that workbench just out of some scrap wood that I had. It was an old tabletop, and I just put some legs on it. I did run some electricity out to the shed, and the main reasons was to get some overhead lighting. So I put in 4 lights in there. 3 of them are just LED bulbs, and then the fixture above the workbench gives it some spotlights. In addition to having the overhead lights, I did put in 1 outlet, and that's just convenient for if I'm using my miter saw out there or any other power tools. There's a look at what the OSB shelves look like. I'm really happy with how the shelves turned out. They're super strong. They weren't difficult to build. You can find several videos all over YouTube with other people showing you how to build shelves that are similar to those. So here's what the shed looks like today, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. The 10x16 size has really given us a lot of additional storage, and we're really happy that that's the size we chose with the 7.5 feet tall walls. So that wraps it up, and thanks for watching my video series. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I hope you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on any other projects that I get into. I'll see you in the next video.